presenting the 2008 Toyota Tundra. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include parking sensors, front and rear, air conditioning, front, automatic climate control, air conditioning, front, dual zones, airbags, front, dual, airbags, front, side, airbags, front and rear, head, airbags, side curtain rollover sensor, drivetrain and 4WD type, part-time. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.